इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Thank you so much, Dheeraj, for playing the corporate video of Franchise India, which truly depicts and showcases the value, vision, and essence of Franchise India. Franchise India is Asia's largest franchise solution company since 1999, and we have helped numerous organizations to expand their business with our 70+ offices. We have helped all the potential business buyers to get a dream brand from us. Through our dynamic media and service platform, we have catered to investors across all industry and categories like F&B, education, retail, fashion, health, etc. Franchise India is first company to introduce and develop franchisee market in India, and we completely focus on franchisee ecosystem. Today, we welcome you to this particular webinar, which is Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series. And today is our 138th episode. This is a digital platform where our aim is to present the brand of the day. We do not endorse any particular brand. The flow of the webinar would be, we'll start with the information about the brand, which will be followed by question and answer session and discussion between our panel member. We welcome management team of Franchise India. This particular webinar is hosted by Mr. Maria and Sonia Chaudhary, and both represents the management team. The brand of the day today is Mad About Dog. The brand, which was established in Jaipur, now expanding their business all over India. The established brand for producing quality pet product. And we welcome the team of MAD, Mr. Balu Sairam and Ajit Yadav, to talk about this great brand. Thank you so much, Mr. Yadav, Sai Yadav, and Ajit Yadav for joining us today. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. First, I would like to thank the Mr. Franchise India, Gaurav Mare, as well as Sonia Chaudhary for giving me such a great opportunity. Yeah, now I'm going to say regarding the Mad About Dogs, the pet store. Now, I would like to explain what are the things we are having total in this store. This includes the total cafe area as well as clothing, grooming, as well as food, accessories, everything which each and every pet needs. Now it is the fastest growing business chain in total India. Yeah, actually this Mad About Dogs has been established in the Pink City, which is at Jaipur. Now it is expanding pan-India wise total. We are having around 8 to 10 stores in total India wise. This contains the main motto of this Mad About Dogs is, which contains all the brands and all the different kinds of the bands, different kinds of food and everything which we can get at a one stop. For the all the pet needs we can get at a one stop in each and every Mad About Dog store. In this retail sales, we used to have the pet food of the popular Indian and the global brands. We have the toiletries like shampoos, conditioners, soaps. We have the imported one as well as the Indian brands also in this Mad About Dogs. We have the different kinds of the pet accessories and the toys, everything, including of collars, beds, clothing, and everything. The main focus of this Mad About Dogs is salon as well as the spa services, where we will provide the great and the hygienic and the quality grooming and bathing services in our store, where we can sell the grooming services like body washing, consulting services.
You can make a screen full. The screen is not complete, so just make it a full present slideshow.
1 second.
Just go on a slideshow. Up.
Oh, actually, it's not getting, sir.
No, you
So,
just click on the right side.
On the top, on the top, you'll see file, home, insert, draw. There is slideshow.
Insert draw
Further-
design.
Further,
Yes.
further,
I
further,
come forward,
further.
come forward. On the
Yes,
right,
yes.
yeah, slideshow.
Yes, yes.
And then play slideshow, start slideshow from beginning of, from current slide. Yeah, the second button, Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Yes, sorry for the difference. Yeah. In this Mad About Dogs, we used to have the grooming services. These all the services which we provide with the fine quality grooming service, pet training, pet food, pet adoption, and toys and accessories. In this coming to this pet adoption, not only the breeds which are cost also, we used to adopt the Indian breeds also for the free, and we are giving the life for the total Indian pets and everything. We are getting the roadside pets and we are hiring, we are taking those to our shelter and we are providing them the shelter, and we also providing the nice parental shelter to that by giving the adoption to that to the, we are doing this service through Pan India also. We have this pet training center where we will provide the trainer from the for each and every store, so that he can train the pets from the to the customers as per their requirement. And this grooming services will be done by the each and every store, where the grooming includes this salon, spa, and everything, massage and everything will be done. In this pet food category, we are having the different multi brands of the pet foods, which contains the Indian brands as well as the imported one, as well as uh, homemade food also. Everything we are getting in this Mad About Dog store itself. We have the different franchisee stores at Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, Guwahati, Chandigarh, Lucknow, Surat, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Jaipur. This will be the overall views of some of our store opening pics and everything, where we are the friendly with the to each and every customer and everything, with including of the pets. These all are the happy customers of our store, which is at Surat. According to this pet industry, Indian pet care and the industry, the dogs population in India is now, we are having more than 15 millions. Now the India is placing the 6th rank in the pet population. We are having around the pet shops more than 300K in all over the India. Now we have to go target all this 300K, and we have to do the more stores, open the more stores pan India wise, and we have to give our main motto is to give the good and quality service to the each and the pet customer, where we can satisfy the pet customers well. The main emerging breed in our India is the German Shepherd. Compared to the previous history, now within the past 5 years, the pet population has been increased by the 10%, and it is going to be increased more than the 10% in the coming 5 years. India is the one of the most pet market in the world, with more than the 15 millions of the pet dog population in India. It is the only country in which the pet dog population is expected to grow more than 10% in the next 5 years. As I said previously, it's ranked sixth in the pet population, and it lags the USA, Brazil, China, Mexico, as well as Russia too, with the 70 million, 56, 28 million, 27 million, and 17 million population respectively. In terms of this trajectory, in the last 15 years, there are the 30 terms of the pet population. The 5 million of the population in 2002, fastest from there it has been grown for the 5 million to 15 million in 2016. Now it's going to be increased by more 10% of the population in the next 5 to 10 years of the pet population. As per this survey, the German Shepherds, as said, the German Shepherd in the total 100 population, 100% of these dogs population, in the 25% of the population is of the German Shepherd, and the rest of 20% is of Labrador Retriever. These are the most running breeds in the India wise, and the rest all comes under the Golden Retriever, Pug, Doberman, Shih Tzus. Those all carry the rest all 50% of the population, pet population. Basically, to open the store, what are the things to need is we require the minimum area of 450 SFT to minimum. It should be from the 450 SFT. In that, we are going to provide the total accessories, snacks, food, as well as shampoos and toiletry, as well as including of the medicine. It's a medicine also. Based on the things, yeah, in this 450 SFT, we are going to provide the each and every accessories. Sir, now I'm going to show the total overview how we are going to provide the store, and now I'm showing you the display of Hyderabad store.
Sure.
Yeah. These are the total customized. These are the customized clothing of our store. where we can get the total Indian as well Indian wear, Western wear, and everything for the each and every pets, including of dogs as well as the cats. Then moving to that, these are the accessories which we are going to provide of the different brands. We are having the brands of around 8 to 9 brands over there, which includes the collars and everything, brushes, everything. These are the grooming section accessories where we can get the slicker brushes, grooming brushes, and as well as scissors and everything, nail cutters, everything which is used for the pet grooming services and everything. Through this, the customers can do the pet grooming services at home itself by buying all these things, and rest goes to the leashes and everything. These are the different and the premium kind of the leashes which are selling in our Mad About Dog store itself, with the different brands and everything. And going to this toiletries, here we are having the total kind of the shampoos which we are going to get in India wise. These are the different brands and everything we are going to get in that. These all the brands. And coming to the town, these are the cat litters and everything we are going to get and in every store. Coming to the food section. Coming to the food section, these are the foods we are going to sell in our store, where we can get the big bags of different kinds and different brands. These are the Purina, Royal Canin, Pedigree, Farmina, Drools, everything we are going to get in our store. And this would be the most interesting and looks beautiful in the construction. This is our food section where we can get all the multi brands. These are the brands these all are the different kinds of brands where we can get the food for the each and every pet, so that it can have its meal differently. Coming to this center section, these are the premium brands which are which can be get exclusively at the Mad About Dogs and everything. N&D, this Origin and Akana, this is a very premium food which contains of 80 to 90% of meat. We can get this food in a limited stores itself. In Hyderabad, there are 1 or 2 stores, which one is our Mad About Dog itself, which is going to sell. And going to the another Taste of Wild, this is a 7-star food worldwide, where we can get it is been imported from, it is an imported food. This food also is a premium food where we can get in a limited stores itself. These ranges also we are getting available compared to others also. And we are from the basic edition to we are having the high-end quality of the food and everything. And coming to the chewable snacks and everything, these are the snacks, accessories, and everything we are going to get at our store. These are the different kinds. And coming to the treats, these are the wide varieties of the treats we are going to get at our store, which contains the different brands like the basic high-end running brands like Chip Chops, Jerai, Goodies, Granols, Augers, everything, meat jerkies, rules, and everything we are going to get in the store. And now I would like to show how the construction will be of the in that 450 SFT, how the construction will be done. I will be showing that briefly the construction of those. Yeah, these are the wooden crafted pets idols, so that we can get these as a decoration purpose. So where we can hang the something like toys and everything, we can hang it over here as for the display purpose. We can get this table, cash counter, as well as computer desk in this also. This kind of the AC and this ventilation for the design grill we are going to get at the cash counter. Coming to the accessories and everything, we are going to get the panel one where we can hang the rods over there, and we can hang all the things in that to that hook itself, which contains of 10-inch of the hooks, where you can store each and everything. And you can get the two center tables over here, the center tables where you can keep it all the products, and you can make it as an something like offer zone over here. In that offer zone, you can place in the center table, you can place on something like offer zone. Now I have placed the offer zone of Royal Canin. Now we are providing some offers on Royal Canin food, so that we have placed over there. And coming to the food section, these are the partitions to will be done by the company. These kind of the partition will be done based on the area. And coming to this snack section also, this is also same. Now I'm going to show the main equipments and the part of the store, that is the grooming section, grooming area. Yeah, this is our grooming area. This is an grooming table provided with the hooks to knot the dogs and everything to get the perfectness of the grooming. And coming to the bath area. Yeah, this is the bath area, which is customized, and again with the hooks to adjust the height of the each and every breed. We are having the high quality geyser of something like 20 liters we are going to provide, as well as the blower to dry the pets. We are going to provide these all things also in this franchising. This is the total overall view of the store of the Mad About Dogs. The theme will be may vary based on the stores and everything, but this is the overall tour of this Mad About Dogs. Yeah, in this construction itself, if based on the area local and the local rules of the veterinary and everything, we are going to provide the doctor also, where we can do the basic treatment of the dogs and everything. We are not going to provide the major issues and everything. We can sell the dogs through. We are going to combine with the local breeders and everything, so that we have to merge and sell the pets through also. Pets also in our store. We can sell the pets also. Uh, for this 450 SFT, the basic thing is the franchisee fee of rupees, something like 3 lakhs rupees is the franchisee fee for that. Fixed setup cost is 4.5 lakhs. Total it is of 7.5. And again, the for the stock itself, we have to pay the based on the area and the potential. We are going to the provide the what are the things, what are the brands to be sold in those area. We will make a survey, and we are going to provide those kind of food and everything, those brands. And we give an assurance to the franchisee that if the food doesn't move or anything, we are going to take and we are going to replace those food. That is not an issue. Based on the customer requirement, franchisee requirement, as well as the potential of those area, we are going to provide those brands over there. There is a not mandatory that we have to keep these brands, we have to keep those brands. But this is the main motto of this Mad About Dogs, is the one stop where we can get the cheapest food to costliest food, and the basic brand to high-end brand. That is the final motto. The main motto is to we if the customer once step into our store, he should not return back. That we won't have those products. We have to provide each and every service regarding the grooming as well as the sales also. We have to provide each and everything to the customer. Is anything is okay, sir?
Yeah, very good. I think thanks. I lovely tour of the store, and very happy to see how you kept the store. It's one of the best store, well kept in the market.
Yes.
And just to give you background, I mean, Sai is a young entrepreneur who started and got passionate about running this business, and he's involved in the business so well that he's now made this as a number one store in Hyderabad, and also making good profits even in the times of COVID period. He was all open because this was coming in essential services, and he was running the business. And rather in these times, there is a lot of consolidation which has happened because the small unorganized player has gone out of the business, and people are trusting branded players, people who are selling authentic stuff and authentic product. So well done, Sai. I think you have been a great example of a good entrepreneur. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि जब भी अच्छा entrepreneur खुद से मेहनत करता है और सेल्फ ऑपरेट करता है, ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया है. आई एम वेरी पर्सनली वेरी प्राउड ऑफ व्हाट ही इज डन, बिकॉज इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत खुद से की, स्टोर को संभाला, सारे स्टोर को मैनेज करते हैं, खुद से करते हैं. नाउ ही इज चैंपियन हाउ टू रन अ पेट स्टोर, and that's very important, and that's where we also have a confidence that under his guidance he will be able to guide other people also, other entrepreneurs also, जो अपने लिए एक स्टोर खुलना है. ये pet business is a very strong business, is moving from unorganized to organized way. The pet population itself, India, while it looks like in the top 10 countries, but is still very, very low from a overall absolute number and per capita penetration viewpoint. One of the lowest in the world. The only way it will go up. This business is also all cash business, so it's essentially pet parents are very emotional. They indulge, they continue to buy, and it's also a subscription business. What I like about this business is that once you have a subscriber, अगर किसी ने पेट अडॉप्शन किया और उसके पहला पेट आता है तो पहले दिन से वो इंडल्ज करने लगता है, और उसके बाद लाइफ ऑफ द पेट, and most of the time the pet lover is a pet lover, he will have another pet coming in. So fundamentally the entire life journey they would keep coming to there. Average pet parent would come to a store at least once in a month and 12 times in a year and 10 years minimum. So you need to see that one customer you acquire is essentially going to be at least for 10 years with you and continue to come with you. And a lot of awareness is coming. Even our breeds of Indian breeds are becoming more and more popular, and Prime Minister has also emphasized on that, and Prime Minister is also encouraging people to adopt our Indian breeds. I think we are going to see a big growth on that. Another area which I think Sai has championed is that 3 different verticals of a pet business. A lot of people out there are only doing one vertical. सबके सब food बेच रहे हैं. Pet food बहुत fast moving होता है. It's an FMCG product. People consume on a regular basis. Some buy almost every week, every 2 weeks, or some people buy monthly packs. But it's very fast moving. But real business and revenue comes in if you have all 4 verticals. 3 verticals are must in MAD. 1 vertical is optional. 3 verticals which are must are pet food, which is fast moving. Then pet accessories, जिनकी बहुत बड़ी रेंज आपको दिखाई साई ने, ये पूरी रेंज इनके पास बहुत बड़ी है. और third is pet grooming, which is a very profitable business. Average ticket value, and we'll ask all these questions to Sai, what he charges on pet grooming and what kind of numbers he do. And fourth, which is optional, is a consultation, which means that a vet would be available at the store to do the consultation also. But that's only optional. Some states would be able to do that, some would not. And a lot of hand holding comes in, because इस business की सबसे बड़ा जो issue है वो है how do you integrate suppliers. Because एक store के अंदर जो इन्होंने store दिखाया, इसमें कम से कम 100 suppliers हैं. So what Sai has done is all integrated all these suppliers together, and now he has the best rates and best margins. So when you become a partner with MAD, you actually get better margin than you will get from a local distribution. So that advantage comes in because that they have reached to a maximum value of margins and a topmost schemes which they are running on. So this is a very, very good business. MAD is already successfully running in Surat. It's running in Hyderabad. It's running in Calcutta. Very, very successful stores, and they are run by, and this is one of the topmost performing stores across India. So across India, if you see the pet store performance, MAD Hyderabad would be one of the topmost store because of the effort and hard work of Sai. So Sai, let's get on to started. कि अपने जो सेल होती है उसमें कितना परसेंटेज जो है फूड का है, कितना परसेंटेज एक्सेसरीज का है और कितना ग्रूमिंग का है?
Yes, sir. Coming to the sales, usme food to now the total sale of our store is around 9 to 10 lakhs per month. In that we are having the 50% of the food. 50% of food, 50% totally on the food, which doesn't include the snacks. Snacks also comes to the food category itself, but it is a total different category, which has a higher margin than the food. Yeah, at the snacks of around 30% and 20 to 30% of accessories. In this 100%, the grooming is nowhere involved in this. The grooming comes with another income, which is directly into our pockets itself. Just we need to hire the nice groomer. Actually, what I did, sir, as you also know that I've taken the grooming classes from Delhi as well as Jaipur also. Now I am only doing the grooming at our store, so that I'm able to keep the high margin in my store. Now we are charging for each and every. I'm going to do the groomings of around 50 per month.
50 grooming.
Yeah, 50 groomings per month.
And how much you charge for per grooming?
The basic grooming starts from 1,000 rupees, sir.
So 50,000 rupees you make
Yes,
minimum.
minimum.
Of doing,
Yes,
doing
which
it.
won't include in this 100% of any profits. That grooming session is totally different. It includes bathing, grooming, and everything. Now I'm going to charge 1,000 rupees for the small breeds, which includes haircut, ear cleaning, nail cutting, as well as bathing also. The rest all stores in Hyderabad, they are charging around 1,500 to 2,000 rupees. 1,000 is the best rate where the customers get attracted, and that is the actual price to charge for the customer. In Hyderabad, the people do, how the people do means they will charge to the customer that they are not having any kind of grooming. I am the one of the groomer, so that I am going to charge this much. If you are interested or not, as your wish. But we are going to give the service to the customer where the customer and the pet should be satisfied. That is our main motto. That is the reason I've kept the rate of rupees 1,000 rupees for the mini breeds and 1,200 for the large breeds.
Very, very interesting. Very interesting. And I should compliment you, saying that very few people are genuine operators.
Yes, yes, sir.
फ्रेंचाइजिंग के अंदर अगर आपको कामयाब होना है तो आपको ऑपरेटर बनना पड़ता है, और ये बहुत कमाल का एग्जांपल इन्होंने दिया है साइन ने कि भाई इन्वेस्टर बहुत हो सकते हैं, इन्वेस्टर तो कोई भी हो सकता है, लेकिन ऑपरेटर होना बहुत जरूरी है।
Yes,
और ये अच्छे ऑपरेटर हैं तो ऑपरेटर हमेशा कामयाब होते हैं। और इस बिजनेस के अंदर पर्टिकुलरली क्योंकि रिलेशनशिप का बिजनेस है, अगर आप अच्छा करते हैं तो यू आर एबल टू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी आउट ऑफ दिस, लॉट ऑफ गुड मनी। एंड क्या क्या मार्जिन होंगे इस पे अपने को फूड पे, फूड एक्सेसरीज पे?
Food पे we are going to get only on the food, we are going to get from 20 to 30% overall on based on the each and every different brand. If any customer takes any something like any Madabo Dog store has been opened, if that franchisee takes from us, he used to get more 3% from compared to the local distributor or somewhere. True, that is only the one offer for the Madabo Dogs franchisers, where he can get something like 2 to 3% of extra income through the food. And coming to the snacks, you can get around 40 to 50%, and coming to the accessories, same 40 to 50%. Overall, we are getting the including of food, snacks, and as well as accessories, we are getting the overall profit of 40 to 50%.
Very interesting, very interesting. So it's a very good margin base, and especially it's the 80-20 rule. 20% का प्रोडक्ट जो है वो आपको 80% प्रॉफिट देता है और 80% 20% देता है. It's a very, very healthy business. You cannot start a business in 12-14 lakh rupees. You can start with stock. Stock is fast moving. Nothing is held upon. And अगर कुछ stock held भी है तो वो भी perishable नहीं है. सारा का सारा long lasting है. Everything what moves in. And you need to understand what would sell in the neighborhood, what would not sell in the neighborhood. But you have to be operator. If you are an operator, this business is phenomenal. No other business would come close to this. So over to you, Sonia, for your remarks and your questions, please.
I'd like to thank you, Sai, for putting this presentation. And one thing I really want to congratulate you is your own passion to start. I know how difficult it was for you when you started this business, and you were, I would say, amongst like everybody today who's listening to you, you were one of them when you started this business. But with your own passion, and you also educated yourself on this business, and you became a true operator. I think that is something which is extremely credible, and we are really happy to see your success and what you've made out of this outlet, which is doing more than many of the locations, many stores which are operating. Some even very good players in many cities who are operating might not be doing as much as you're doing because of your own personal involvement in the business. One thing I wanted to have maybe clarity when we saw the financials, and I think I saw that cost also on that last slide, is there's a bifurcation that you've given is of 3 lakhs franchise fees and another 4.5 lakhs is the fixed cost, which becomes 7.5 lakhs as a total investment. And now on the right hand side, we have investment average between 12 to 14 lakhs. What is the breakup of this 14 lakhs? And if you can also maybe, expand all the elements of the capex.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, these are the fixed setup cost, means this is just for the construction of something like 450 SFT, the construction cost, and this 3 lakhs is the franchisee free, and the rest all the investment is based on the area, the stock we are going to provide. That is directly given to the franchisee. As per the franchisee, the basic things we are going to provide, and we are going to charge around rupees 8 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. We are going to provide each and every food and each and every brand. If the customer needs, the franchisor needs some specific brand, I need the more quantity, I need the more number of the products and no more number of varieties, that investment will be varying based on the franchisor. The basic things we are going to provide in those is including of the system, as well as one AC, as well as a blower, heater, geyser, everything we are going to provide, including of trimmer also for the grooming purpose. And this 14 to 12 to 14 lakhs will be varied for the stock itself. Nothing has to be there. One more thing I would like to say is for the Madabo Dog franchising, the franchisor is no need to pay of single loyalty per monthly. Just he has to take the stock from us itself, so that he is going to get the good margin, so that he can sell that. The compared to the other brands, they are charging a loyalty of something like 6%, 8% monthly, based on the sale they are going to have. In this Madabo Dogs, we are not charging any loyalty over there.
Okay, so it's a zero royalty model where the entire revenue which comes at the store goes to the franchisee.
Yes,
And
everything.
all the supplies come to you, to the franchisee comes from the company, which is you. And these are also on a discounted rate because you have economies of scale because of the procurement through different vendors. Great. Now, if I want to understand that, what is the breakup, from because we talked about retail and the spa. So what investment would go in the spa?
Regarding to the basic grooming section costs around rupees, which all include in this 4.5 lakh itself, where we can provide them the geyser, the basic grooming table, as well as basic trimmer, as well as basic dryer. These are the main things which are used for the grooming. If they need the special things like the massager one, as well as spa, hot water tub and everything, the expenses and the extra charges has to be paid by the franchisor. Based on the requirement, we are going to provide him, show them all the what are the models and what are the things available in this pet grooming section and everything. Based on the franchisor, we are going to charge others. In this basic, now as I shown our video of our store in Hyderabad, these are the things we are going to provide to them. If we want more than this, it will be chargeable.
Okay. Now, what locations would you be prioritizing initially? Are there any locations that you want to look at initially, or are we looking at maybe a broader spectrum as far as rollout is concerned?
Actually, based on the there is no need of any perfect area, madam. We can check any area where it is a running store in total pan India wise. In India, if you kept anywhere in India, it will be the #1 store. It can be the #1 store only when we do such a kind of operations, that giving the best offers and the best deals to the customer. And in our store also, if the customer buys the products of rupees something like 10,000, which is consumed by the dog for 1.5 months, I'm going to give them a free bathing session for that.
Okay.
We have to initiate them, and we have to give the nice opinion and the nice ideas to the and nice offers to the customers, so that they can come to us and they can take that.
Okay, now one question which I'm seeing is from Debashi Samantha. I would like to know what is the average cost of the food product, from maybe the basic price to a
Yeah,
high
yeah,
end.
yeah.
What
The
becomes
basic
the average
price.
APC?
Yeah. The basic price of the dog food starts from 150 per kg to 860 per kg. There are many varieties. It costs from 160 rupees per kg to 860 rupees kg. As I said, that the Taste of Wild, Origin, Akana, these are the costliest food. The 2 kgs pack costs around rupees 1680 rupees. And this Origin and Akana is an 80% meat content, where we are going to get per kg of rupees around 950, like that. Yeah. Origin. This is the Akana, ma'am. The premium food where we can get.
All right.
This costs around 900 rupees. We are there in this also. We are getting the very different kinds of the flavors which we can't get in any other basic brands. This is an Origin.
6 fish.
Yes, this is a 6 fish flavor. In this, we cannot get anything in this kind of flavor. We can't get in any other brands. Those are the special flavors.
If I just wanted to understand what is the typical spend, the average ticket size, which maybe a pet parent would spend in a month, So typical kya average revenue would come from a pet parent?
Actually, each and every person, basically they will they will do the expenses of around 3,000 to 5,000 is the minimum expenses for the each and every pet. It may include the food, it may include the snacks, it may include the accessories, and it may include the toiletries, including of shampoos and everything. A minimum
And
of
how long
3,000.
does it take, okay, and how long does it take for somebody to come to a break even? How many subscribers or people they would need in a month that they're able to break even?
Yeah,
and how
madam.
long does it take?
Actually, based on the service we provide, the customers, the range, they will be attracted. Previously, coming to the taking the example of mine, from the last year, I am having the customers of something like 300 to 400 itself. I've taken the permission from the local police and everything, and I've opened the store in the lockdown also. In lockdown itself, I got the customers of around 800 customers more. 800 customers, and I've given the offers like that. Now the total customers of our store is based on the operations and everything. We are having the customers of around 1800 members, 1800 people in our area itself. And we have the competition in our area with another 3 to 4 stores also.
Which are closed.
But we have overcome over those all stores, and we have given such a good service, and we have given such a great offers and everything, so that the customers are very friendly and they are coming to store regularly.
I think we have Mr. Rajendra Bhoji. He wants to know what is the typical salary of a groomer. One, and second, while we did talk about the margins in the food, what margins do we have as far as grooming is concerned?
In this grooming, we are getting the margin of around 80%.
80%.
80% margin will be there for the grooming. The 20% also, sometimes you may get 90 also. That 20% what it includes means the cost of the trimmers, blades which has been used. If the groomer use it in a wrong way, the clip won't be there for those many days. If you use in a perfect way, one clip can make around 20 groomings. If the groomer won't use the clip properly, it will be go in a 5 to 10 also. Based on the groomer, that is the main technique, and that is the main training also we are going to give to the customer.
Then what is the typical cost for a groomer? Like in your case, you do it yourself, but if somebody has to hire, typically how much would it cost for somebody to
the basic groomings which costs around 15,000 salary per person, and the stylish grooming which costs around 20 to 25 based on the area.
Okay.
based
And
on
how
the
many,
state.
okay. And how many groomings can one do in a typical day? Because I think, you know, your
Per hour, he can do around one grooming, one full grooming per hour.
one full grooming per hour, because the rush
Yes.
would be more on the weekends.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, weekend I own the I will do the grooming as well as I have one employee. He will also do grooming, so that on weekends we both will do at a time.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Mm.
And like I said, you know, how long does it take to reach and what is the lead time for somebody to at least start breaking even on the operating cost? How many months would typically it take?
A minimum of 6 to 8 months will be the minimum, ma'am, to reach the one saturation point. After that, the sale goes directly. There is no need of putting any other efforts and everything. Just the providing the offers, and we should not give the offers on. We are providing the offers 1 month on one brand, 1 month on another brand, and we are to give to the customers. We should not give the customers at a time on all products. 1 month one product, one brand, 1 month another brand. We have to repeat this cycle, so that the customers will be able to take the food, as well as they are going to try the different food, and they can get they will also get awareness of regarding different brands, and what will be the change for in the dog they can see, and so that they can do all these things. If you give at a time on all the brands, the customer will take the what the brand he needs, he will take that itself. Actually, all the brands are good regarding the food and snacks, but the customer will be a little bit scared to try the different one. Nothing won't happen in trying of the different food. Those all are ISI approved and everything. Each and every food is a quality food itself. But the
Correct.
one thing means customer will be panicked regarding what our dog will happen. They will think like those, and they won't try for the new one and try for the another brand. Just that's it.
That's very interesting. And you also mentioned about the veterinary doctor also as an additional service in certain outlets. Now, if that is added, typical, what investment would
Uh,
that take, and how big would the area become?
yeah. A more around 100 SFT should be included. 60 to 100 SFT should be included, where it contains of one table for the veterinary doctor, as well as one examination table for the each and every pets. That will be the more investment. It will be costing around rupees of 1 lakh extra for that. And the area expenses should be maintained by the franchisor. In that 1 lakh also, we are going to provide the veterinary table, examination table, as well as the basic tools, including of weight machine, thermometers, everything which is needed for the veterinary doctor. We are going to provide all those things, and the permission and the certificate should be taken by the local franchisor itself. The veterinarian, we are going to give them, and the permission from the local, there will be the different permission from different states, so that the permission should be taken by the franchisor, but we are going to hire the doctor to them. The doctor salary will be also, the juniors doctor salary will be from the 15 to 20,000, and the senior will be around 25 to 30,000, like that. Now we are doing the just basic treatment. No, that is the reason the junior which is recently passed out is enough for us for the basic treatment. There is no need of hiring the experienced person.
Great. I think that's very helpful.
Yes.
I think while we have taken up many questions, there's one question Mr. Krishna Chaitanya wants to know. Can you tell us about the adoption services? And we don't do at the outlet. These are just services, retail services, Mr. Chaitanya. I think what he's talking about is adoption services of dogs on the street. We're not doing
Yes.
anything on those lines. So there are no such services. These are pet services that we give, retail services, which includes both products as well as services like spa. I think we've tried and covered many questions, and what we can do is we can take up anyone who wants to reach out directly. We can take up these questions maybe one-to-one. And there's some of our viewers who in fact wanted to have a detailed breakup of the investment. And if we can fix up maybe one day in the coming week, and we can request our viewers to send us their profile, location where they come from. Some I've received and we have taken a note of those, but anyone who gets wants to have more details, kindly get in touch with us on our hotline number, which you can check in the chat box and reach out to us. We'll fix up your call with Mr. Sai, and in this coming week, if Wednesday is fine, we can block that day, or any other day which you think convenient to take.
Let's do Wednesday और आप लोगों में से कोई विजिट करना चाहे स्टोर का टूर लेना चाहे, want to send, I think that would be great. I have some inquiries coming from Hyderabad itself. Come to the store, understand, spend some time with Sai, and you'll be able to take more understanding on the business. This is a good business, but needs operators. If you're a good operator, Sai and team will support you completely. We are also committed behind it. So it's a great business model, and very well established. And congratulations, Sai, for working very hard, and we are very proud of you and what you've achieved.
Thank you, sir.
So I think before we leave, any last word that you want to give to the viewers, any message that you want to give to people who are listening to you?
What is the message? Means we have to treat the pets and everything as how we treat the people also. In some areas they won't treat the pets as those way. They will treat pets as pets itself by beating them and like that. As a previous message to you, that the adoption service will be done, but how it will be done means, if you find any adoption of the pets, roadside pets and the street dogs, when it is a smaller, we will take to our store. Actually, I will feed them and I will take care of them. If anyone is interested in adopting them, I'm going to adopt them. I am going to give them for the adoption, but basically not focusing on that itself, on regarding the adoption, searching for the street dogs, is there any available. If I find in my site, so that I'm going to take it and I will give that adoption. That will be the fine for each and every.
That's voluntary.
Yes, just as a volunteer.
Excellent, very nice. Any last remarks from your side, and we call Archana for thanking you.
Yeah, I'd like to thank you, Sai. It was very, very, the presentation was elaborate, very, very passionate and very honest, throughout. And we wish you all the best in making this outlet and many more, coming up with this year or maybe the subsequent years success.
It will be done with your support itself.
Absolutely. I think you've done it yourself. They're not every entrepreneur, everybody carries the same brand, but not everybody is successful. There are very few like you who make it, and people like you and entrepreneurs like you are, the examples that are given to future entrepreneurs. So we wish you all the best and congratulations once again in whatever you achieved all by yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks a
Over
lot.
to you, Archana.
Thank you so much, Sai, for joining us today. Thank you so much, Ajit Yadav, for joining us today. And we would like to thank our panel members, Sonia ma'am and Gaurav sir, for sharing their insights. Ajit, Sai, I would request if you can just remove your screen. We would like to thank all our dear participants who have joined us today. You can connect with Franchise India team at our business hotline number, which is 97176 That's the number where you can reach out to us. You can also connect with the Franchise India team, management team at their respective LinkedIn IDs. Just give me 1 minute, I'll show. That's the ID where you can connect with us. We invite and encourage all the feedback, suggestions, queries at the business hotline number, because that will help Franchise India team to improve our processes and help you in a better manner. And since today it's Sunday and Sunday is always special for all of us, we are inviting you for 3 p.m. webinar, which is for Maharashtra and Gujarat show. And our attempt is to provide you business opportunity for top 10 popular brands. Do not miss this chance. Please join us today, where our industry experts are also joining us along with our top 10 brands and presenting their ideas, franchisee business model for each one of you. And tomorrow, sharp 12 p.m. again for Business Opportunity Chai series. We are inviting you. And tomorrow, consulting firm, fastest growing digital e-tech based company, and the team of Mindback is coming and presenting their business ideas. So do not miss this chance. Enjoy your lunch. Come back and join us for Maharashtra and Gujarat show sharp 3 p.m. and tomorrow 12 p.m. for business opportunity over webinar series. Thank you so much once again for joining us today. Have a great day.
Thank you, Sunil. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Sai.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great day
everyone.
ahead. Thank you.
Thanks, Ajit. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.